Go say hi.
It's not done, baby.
Go say hi.
Hey, you know one of those Wanda too, right?
Huh?
You know Wanda, don't you? McGill's mother?
I don't think so.
Yeah. The little short lady with a ponytail. You can't miss the lady. Remember, I get you mixed up with his son. I think you're McGill. You get the same haircut.
Like you, right?
What I'm trying to say is, my PCA worker,
Oh.
he's got the same haircut and same look.
Oh, I don't know.
No, I'm trying to say, you look.
Oh, twins?
Yeah, you look like him.
That you look like it.
I look like everybody. In a good way.
Say hi.
I think you can get away with a few things.
Say hi.
No, hey, Joni. Don't you look like a little bit like McGill?
See?
Wait a minute. Now what's the haircut? See one stick up from McGill.
Sabian, say hi to the lady. Hey. Sabian.
Obvious forehead.
Sabian.
I like your nails.
Sabian.
Oh, thank you. Then where McDonald's is down here?
Oh, the plaza?
Sabian.
Yeah.
Say hi to him.
Prado,
I think he's scared.
Cali Nails. That's where I go right next to
Well,
McDonald's.
I'm going to say he got right to be scared.
Vietnamese. It's a really nice job.
You know, a lot of things going on around here.
Yeah.
What's her name?
Cali.
No, he won't agree with you, but with the haircut short, but the only thing you don't have in your ears is the costume jewelry.
Acrylic, and then she puts gel over it.
Let's drive his car.
So for,
He's got two brothers that lives coming around here also.
charges me 35.
That's not
And I
bad.
swear to God, you can't tell them apart. But one is that little short lady that lives on the 12th floor. She, you probably seen her in the laundry room here. She comes down here.
I used to go to Linville.
And you know, I'm just saying, if she's a good person.
Yeah, she does a really nice job.
Hey.
What do you go? Do you go every month or every?
I go once a month.
What's wrong?
Once a month?
I could do something,
Huh?
but I don't know if you can pay attention.
You can do it.
Because I do it upstairs to somebody else.
Do it, show him. Say meow. Go meow.
The abuelo's friend's talking to you? He's talking to you? You look like he's gonna cry, right?
Polly White Whacker?
You look like he's gonna cry?
Polly White Whacker?
Hey, you gonna cry?
Polly White Whacker? Polly White Whacker?
He's not shy. What's he know him?
He's talking to you.
Polly White Whacker?
Hey, he said he wanted a cracker. You got crackers for him? Yeah, I don't have a cracker.
Well, I know, I don't have any kids, but I know how to do kids interesting.
He is scared. Go ahead.
Look at the bird up there. Look at the bird up there. There's a bird up there. There's a nice little pigeon up there or something.
Oh my God.
I got his tongue going.
You see them? He's talking to the baby. Zay, look at Welo's friend.
Go say hi. Go.
That's Welo.
Come on.
Welo is the hospital's friend.
I thought I saw a pretty cat.
He is scared.
Hey.
He is scared.
I thought I seen a pretty cat. I did see a pretty cat. A Tweety bird.
He look like he's gonna cry. He don't even know what to do. He's probably like, I'm gonna cry. Poor baby. Say, you gonna cry or you laughing?
No.
You're laughing?
No.
It's funny?
No.
Say, Lisa there.
Hey, I got one more I can try. Hey, what's up, Doc? What's up, Doc? Who says that? Who says that? What's up, Doc?
Bugs Bunny.
Uh-oh.
Say, come on.
Go see Gina.
He went bye-bye. Come on. Come on, he went bye-bye. He left. He's going bye. He's going home. Say bye now.
Jade, look. Say. Look at me.
He left.
Look at me.
Say here. Say. Look.
Yes.
You don't want him?
Say. Say cheese.
Here.
Say hi.
Say, I'm gonna get you.